Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about Plant Parent app and how to use it. Let's get started. Plant Parent is a mobile app designed to help both rookie and experienced plant lovers care for greenery effortlessly using advanced plant identification, smart reminders and personalized guidance. It turns anyone into a confident plant parent. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So go to your App Store, search Plant Parent on your search bar, then tap on Plant Parent and install your app and open it up. So once installed, you can create a basic profile. There's no sign-in required at first. To identify a plant, tap the camera icon, snap a clear photo, and it instantly names the plant and provides care info. Then tap Add to Garden to save it. Then set smart care reminders like watering, fertilizing, pruning, and repotting, customized for each plant. And if you're worried about if something's wrong, you can upload a photo and use diagnose to detect pests or disease with proactive tips. Plus, use the light meter tool to check if your plant is getting enough sun. Every plant in your garden shows status, watered, next care date, past activities. Use the plant calendar tab to track growth, view notifications, and log tasks. Plant Parent is free, but premium features unlock unlimited disease scans, expert advice, full care content, and unlimited reminders. And that is all about Plant Parent, your digital assistant for healthier plants. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more plant tech tips and comment down your favorite plant in the next video. Bye.